Every large company, and even medium-sized company, has a strategic business plan.
Yeah.
They're thinking about what we need to do 3 and 5 years out.
Yeah.
So how does industrial transformation fit into the business strategy?
Yeah. Well, that's a good question. So companies are always at a certain point of time in a certain stage. And they will look at the future and design a picture of the future of this is where we need to be in 3 to 5 years to either win market share or maintain market share or to expand or diversify a risk and open new markets, new product lines and diversify. And for that, at times they will need things they don't have today. And they will derive strategic initiatives like, okay, our IT systems are outdated, we need to modernize, we need to implement a CRM system, we need to implement an ERP system, or we outgrew our our ERP system and we need to replace it. Very disruptive. So they would identify in the strategic planning process a few key core initiatives which are so-called must-win battles. There is no choice. We must win that war. If not, it will jeopardize our strategic goals. Yeah, and at times it's we need to penetrate a new market, and in order to do it fast enough, we will acquire a company in that market, and we'll have to integrate that. So nobody wakes up in the morning and thinks, oh, we need to address a complex industrial transformation. People wake up in the morning and say, to win in that market, we need to buy a company. Or to win in the market, we need to start to implement AI. Or we need to do more automation in our industry. But when you roll it back, all of those initiatives are complex industrial transformations.